Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning unit from Weiss-Johnson. Even in the hottest summer months, the Merit Series 13 ACX by Lennox works efficiently to enhance your comfort. Compared to an older system, this air conditioner can help you save significantly on your monthly cooling bills. At Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Lennox 13 ACX has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. The Lennox 13 ACX efficiency rating meets or exceeds 13 Seer. Seer rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the Seer rating, the more efficient the air conditioner is, and the less power the unit will need to operate. A precision-balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide quieter operation and longer product life. The Lennox 13 ACX has a 5-year limited warranty on covered components. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.